creating a community of lifelong learners.
Welcome to Outlook Self-Guide. This is Guide 5 of Microsoft Outlook. This tutorial discuss about self-troubleshooting guide in Outlook. We have selected 4 common issues in Outlook with recommended solutions. First is, unable to send or receive emails. Second common issue is, unable to sign into Outlook, unable to start Outlook. Then the issue with mailbox corruption. Before we go further, I like to start with the following assumptions. The Outlook is version 2016 desktop, running on Windows 10 client operating system. Connected to Microsoft Exchange Server, in a typical client-server environment. Let's start with issue number 1, unable to send or receive message. If you are not getting new emails, or people are not getting your email, it could be due to the following reasons. Outlook is currently disconnected. Outlook is on working offline mode. Outlook is processing email with large attachment. Antivirus software is scanning your incoming or outgoing email. And lastly, your Outlook inbox has reached the maximum size quota. Outlook require connection to Exchange Server in order to send and receive emails. Please see the status bar at bottom. If the status bar showing disconnected, please check your connection to the network. Launch your preferred internet browser and check whether you can access the internet. It could be due to your physical connection, such as cable, network issue, or Wi-Fi issue, or even Exchange Server is down. If status bar showing working offline, then click Send and Receive tab, and unclick Work Offline. Work Offline avoid connection charges when working on a slow network connection, or using public Wi-Fi, so that you can send email later, over fast network and secured connection. You need to make Outlook connection online, to start receiving and sending email. At times we may also experience slowness, to an extent incoming email are not arriving. For example, an email that clients sent about an hour ago, have not arrived in our mailbox. There could be incoming, or outgoing emails with large attachment, that hogging the network. The Exchange Server could be busy processing sending and receiving many emails with large attachment. The other possible reason being, an antivirus or spam tools that busy scanning the incoming and outgoing emails. This scenario is pretty common, because antivirus is necessary to protect against malware or viruses. When the email is declared cleared from viruses, then it can be released for incoming or outgoing. In a typical office environment, everyone has mailbox size quota about 2 GB. This is to avoid issues such as huge mailbox, slowness, extra charges, etc., such that, company IT policy implement mailbox size restriction. When strict email policy is implemented, when your mailbox has reached the size quota, it will stop sending or receiving emails. You need to clear or delete some emails to create more space. Click File tab and select Tools and select Mailbox Cleanup. Perform the actions such as Auto Archive, empty deleted items. Now let's talk about issue unable to sign into Outlook. These are some possible reasons. It could be due to password changed, due to incorrect username, your account is locked, Could be due to Windows device sign-in issue. And could also be due to mail profile settings. This is common issue if you are not able to sign in. It could be due to recent password changed. If Outlook is using the same credential to log into network, when you change your login password, please make sure that you update Outlook password too. Go to File tab, then click Account Settings, then Account Settings again. Select your email account and then select Change. Enter your new password in the password box, then choose Next and Finish. This issue usually happens when you just changed your work computer. So you or the IT admin needs to set up everything all over again. Or you perhaps changed your last name due to circumstances such as divorce. When you change your name, it would be updated in main directory but not in Outlook. So you need to update the account settings, like in earlier step. Your account is locked. To prevent unauthorized access, or compromise security, they may temporarily lock your account. Due to multiple attempts to log in with incorrect password, you may need to follow the proper steps to unlock your account. This issue could be due to several factors such as account-related issue. It could also be due to Exchange server is not available, or perhaps network connection problem. If Exchange servers are down, basically there is nothing you can do. Wait until the server is back online. If you encountered the above error, it could be due to incorrect mail profile setup. Go to File tab, then click Account Settings, then Account Settings again. Select your email account and then select Change. Enter your new password in the password box, then choose Next and Finish. Sometimes we may experience Outlook not responding or freeze. Or Outlook stop working when opening a file or sending an email message. The following are some suggested solutions, and the issue to fix the problem. Start Outlook in safe mode. Another dialog box is still open. Outlook is still working on long process. Update Microsoft Office program. Repair Outlook program. Start Outlook in safe mode. If Outlook freeze or stop responding, you can try to close Outlook from File menu, or clicking the cross button on the upper right-hand corner. Then start Outlook in safe mode, choose Start, type Outlook/safe, and press Enter. If you manage to open Outlook, let it run for a few minutes. Then close Outlook, and open it normally. Check for any dialog box open. Sometimes when you have many open windows, you might miss small windows or dialog box. This dialog box in Outlook preventing you perform the action you wanted to. You need to close this dialog box first before continuing. On Windows, press keyboard key Alt and Tab. Keep holding the Alt key and use Tab key to move to specific window and close it gracefully. Check Outlook is not working on long process. Sometimes Outlook might appear freeze, but actually still running and working on something. On Windows, press keyboard Ctrl plus Alt and Delete key, and select Task Manager. Or alternatively, right-click the taskbar setting, and select Task Manager. On Windows Task Manager, under Processes tab, check whether Outlook is not responding. If Outlook is not responding, select Outlook, and click End Task button, at bottom right-hand corner. Otherwise, right-click Outlook, and select Go to Detail, and see whether the status is running. Let it run for a couple minutes, and try again later, otherwise you may end Task Outlook, as described in earlier step. Install the latest Office updates. When the above step still does not resolve the issue, we recommend to install the latest updates from Microsoft. Microsoft Office Updates contains many fixes and patches that resolve and provide enhancements. Launch Outlook, then go to File tab, then go to Office Account, and choose Update Options, and click Update Now. Repair Outlook program. If the above step still does not resolve the issue, the next step would be to try to repair the Office program. Go to Control Panel, then Programs, and select Programs and Features. Select Microsoft Office 2016 and select Change. Click Yes on the prompt dialog box. On the next dialog box, select Repair and click Continue. Let the program run until completed. Then start Outlook normally. If you suspect the mailbox is corrupted, we would like to suggest the following recommendations. First, try to start Outlook in safe mode, which we have discussed earlier. If not, then try repair Outlook data files. Please also try to create new profile. Repair Outlook data files. Launch Windows Explorer, and navigate the directory depending on your Microsoft Office version. Before starting Inbox Repair Tools, make sure Outlook is not running. Then launch or double-click OpenScans.exe. On the dialog box, click Start to repair the Outlook data files, PST or OST as listed. The Inbox Repair tool will report some errors if any. Click Repair button to start repairing the error. Create new Outlook profile. This is the last step in troubleshooting Outlook freeze or not responding issue. Go to Control Panel and type Mail on the search bar. Click Mail and select Show Profiles. Click Add button to create new mail profile. Follow the instruction, adding the email address and click Finish to complete. When completes, once the profile is created, on the Show Profiles dialog, choose Prompt for a profile to be used. Then start Outlook and choose New Profile. This topic wrapped up Lesson 5. I hope you enjoy and continue with next lesson. Please share your view and feedback. Please do not forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you and have a nice day.